In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your primary domain in Google Workspace. Whether you're updating to a new business name or simply restructuring your digital footprint, knowing how to change your primary domain is essential. So let's dive in and get started with this step-by-step guide. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Workspace. This is your central hub for managing all your business tools, and it's where we'll be making the changes to your domain. Once you're on the Google Workspace site, the next step is to click on the Admin Console. The Admin Console is your go-to for overseeing all elements of your Google Workspace, from user management to, of course, domain settings. Now log into your account using your business email. It's crucial to make sure you are using the correct credentials, as you'll need administrator access to make these domain changes. After you've logged in, look towards the top right of your screen and you'll see the Google Apps menu. Click on that and it will display a range of Google services and tools available to you. Once you're inside the menu, locate and click on the admin icon. This will take you straight into the admin management area, which is specifically designed for overseeing and altering your workspace environment. Once you're in the admin area, navigate your way to the home section. You'll notice a helpful layout here designed to offer quick access to essential settings and functionalities. From this homepage, direct your attention to the domains section. You'll find that organizing your domains is made straightforward, with all necessary options consolidated in one convenient location. In the domains section, look for the option to change your primary domain. This is sometimes an easy to overlook feature, but it's exactly what we need to update your domain settings. Once there, you'll see an option to change your primary domain. Don't worry if it feels like a big step, it's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it. Select the option and you'll be prompted to reactivate the domain you wish to change. Then make sure to follow any on-screen instructions to complete the reactivation process. And just like that, you've successfully changed the primary domain within your Google Workspace. Remember, updating your domain can impact many aspects of your digital presence, so it's always a good idea to double check all settings once you're done to ensure everything runs smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.